Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. My name is Tanya and today we're going to be talking about 5 benefits of using essential oils in your home. The first benefit we're going to talk about is how essential oils can improve your mood. So when you're diffusing essential oils, when you breathe the oils in, they travel to the limbic system in your brain, and that is where your emotions are regulated in your brain. So once the essential oils get there, they can help improve your mood. And depending on the kind of oil you're using will depend on how that particular oil will affect your mood. So for instance, if you're kind of having a down, blah day and you need to just have your spirits lifted, orange would be a great oil for that. Or say you've been feeling really negative or just kind of unhappy, there's an essential oil blend called Release. It would be a really good one to use if that's how you were feeling that day. So they can really improve your mood quality, and you can kind of, depending on how you're feeling that day, choose an oil that's going to have the right effect for you and get you in the mood you want to be in. I know for me personally, this is one of the biggest ways that I use essential oils. I have a lot of anxiety and feel a lot of stress and put a lot of burdens on myself. So oils have really helped me be able to regulate that and let go of some of those feelings. So I highly suggest them, whether it's if you just need, like I said, a little mood boost, or if there's some other, things you're trying to let go of. Whatever it may be, there is an essential oil that can help you with that. The second benefit that we're going to talk about is how essential oils can improve your sleep quality. So essential oils for sleep, you can use those topically or you can diffuse them. I like to do a little bit of both. And part of it is depending on the essential oil you're using, say lavender for instance. Lavender's chemical constituents actually have an effect on your body. It's been shown in studies that it can slow down your heart rate and help with your body's flight or fight trigger. So it's a great one to use for sleep quality. And it does have a physical effect on your body. Another way that essential oils can help with your sleep quality is similar to how they improve your mood. So you put in an essential oil in your diffuser at night that has a calming effect for you, like black spruce or peace and calming or lavender and cedarwood. Those are all great oils that you can diffuse at night. And then as you're getting calmed down by that oil, you're also getting your body used to associating that smell with now it's time to go to sleep. So it's also really great to use essential oils in your kids' bedtime routine because it's just a trigger for your brain to say, I smell this now, I smell the lavender, and then your body knows it's time to get ready for bed. It's kind of like, say you always bake cookies when you go to your grandma's house, and you kind of associate the smell of those baking cookies with your grandma. It's the same with using essential oils to help you sleep at night. You're going to associate the smell of the oil with it's time for bed, it's time to unwind. The third benefit of using essential oils in your home is they are a much safer alternative to candles. Not only because you're not having the fragrance, which fragrance is a known skin and respiratory irritant, so you're eliminating that. But also, if you have kids or pets, you don't have to worry about an open flame and them accidentally knocking it over and either getting burnt or, heaven forbid, catch your house on fire or getting burnt by the wax. It's just with a diffuser, if you fall asleep with it on, it's not a big deal. Diffusers have timers. They will shut themselves off either depending on how long you've set yours to go for or when they run out of water. There's no danger of having that flame. So diffusing essential oils is a great option if you have kids and pets. Essential oils are safe to use around children and pets. I mean, there's certain ones that are recommended for different ages, but you can definitely still diffuse essential oils around your kids and around your pets. And then the fourth benefit of using essential oils in your home is your home will have a lower toxicity, meaning with less chemicals and less fragrance in your home, the toxin level in your home will decrease. And this is great in a bunch of different ways. I know for me personally, I have fewer headaches, my skin and eyes are less irritated, I feel like I can breathe better, so it's really made a big difference in just how I feel on a daily basis by getting rid of some of the chemicals I was using in my home. You can basically replace any cleaning product, any laundry product, anything like that for a natural product that has essential oils in it. And you're going to be far better off than sticking with those conventional products that have a bunch of things in them that aren't great for your body. And switching out the products you're using in your home for more natural ones and ones that are scented with essential oils isn't something you have to do all at once. You don't need to overwhelm yourself like that and just throw everything out that may be not natural in your home. You can just take it one category at a time. I know I was diffusing essential oils, and then when I moved on to changing out a lot of the products I was using in my home, I started with laundry first. That tends to be one of the dirtier ones, but it's also one of the easiest ones to switch your products out for. You just get rid of your dryer sheets and use dryer balls instead and switch to a natural laundry detergent. They work great. They work just as well as those with fragrance and other chemicals in them. And then, you know, I make my own scent booster now, which is way cheaper than buying the little beads. So it's not something you have to do all at once. Just pick a category, switch things out, and then move on to the next one. And the fifth benefit we're going to talk about today as far as how essential oils can benefit you is by boosting your immune system. And I think this is one of the biggest and one of the most important ones. There are tons of essential oils out there that can boost your immune system, and when your immune system is running well, then you're able to fight off disease and infection better. Oils like clove and lemon and oregano, those have all been shown in countless studies to help boost your immune system. I know for me personally, since I've been using essential oils in my home, I have not been sick in years. Now, that may be, you know, different for other people, but for me personally, I used to have sinus infections all the time and colds all the time, headaches all the time. I don't have those anymore. So it's a really big quality of life change when you just feel healthier. So that to me is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, benefit of using essential oils in your home. So those were my top 5 benefits of using essential oils in your home. There's tons more benefits than the ones I named today. Those were just my top ones. If you're interested in getting started with essential oils, but you want to learn a little bit more about them, I have a link down in my description box for my free Essential Oils Basics course. It's a video course. It takes about 30 minutes to watch it, and I go over what essential oils are, how you can use them, and some of the benefits and how you can start using them in your home. So just click the link down in my description box and you can sign up for that course. As I said, it is a free one. Or if you feel like you're ready to go ahead and take the plunge and start purchasing essential oils, I have a link down in my description box for Young Living. That's the brand of essential oils I suggest because they have really great farming and testing practices, and they are actually pure essential oils. So that's what you want to look for in essential oil, is one that is pure and has rigorous testing, because there are those oils out there on the market that claim they're pure essential oils and they're actually not. They're something else completely. So if you are interested in purchasing oils, just click that Young Living link. I am here to help you with your oils journey. You can talk to me anytime, send me a message. I'm happy to help out. I love talking about essential oils, so never feel like you can't reach out with any questions you have. And I hope you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you a little inspiration to start using essential oils in your home. and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.